Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video guys, we will see one error that we get when we try to install Windows services in ASP.NET. So the error is no public installers with the RunInstallerAttribute.Yes attribute could be found. So this is the error that you can sometimes get when you try to install your Windows service. So I will just show you what we tried here. So I have this service that I created, and then I tried to install the exe version of that uh, Windows service, and here I use the path of the InstallUtil.exe. So here I used this uh, command, and then I got response no public installer with the attribute could be found. So you may get this error, and for this what you have to do is you have to go to your service design by clicking here and right click and click on add installer. So now just save this and go to code, and here on the initialize component you have to go to implementation, and here you will see some lines. Okay, so here first thing that we have to add is the account here should be local system. So this line you have to add, this is coming from here. Okay, and then we will specify the service names here. Okay, so service name is already there. We will add description and display name. So this will be the name which will be visible in the services.msc when we install this service. Okay, so once you do that, now what we have to do is we have to try to rebuild that. So I will build that again. Okay, and now we will again go to the bin here, debug. So this is the exe file, and now here what we will do is we will open up the command prompt. So after opening the command prompt, we will add the command copy disk, and then this is the location where we have the InstallUtil.exe file. So we will press enter here and it will go to that directory. Now we will type InstallUtil.exe, and then we have to specify the path of the service that we try to install. So we will get the exe name and then paste here and press enter. So so guys, this error is coming because of the access issue. So now what we will try to do is we will try to run the command prompt as administrator. So we will find the command prompt and run as administrator. Okay, so now since we are using that administrator, again we will try to execute the command, same commands. Okay, and then again we will try to copy the path. Sorry for this. Okay, so now we are trying to run the exe again, and you can see that the install has been completed now, and there is not error this time. So now we will try to find this in the services. So we have this services over here, and we will refresh this, and we will try to find the service that we have created. So here you have to check for the name that we entered. So it could be my first service. So we will go down, and here you will see the service here. Okay, and you can start the service. So in this service I just written a simple code of writing some logs. So the logs are created here, and when you open that you will see service is recall, and this is the log that I added in the service. So you can see that logs are getting added, so that means service is running. And now we can stop the service, and you can see service is stopped at. Okay, so this log is getting printed. So you can see that the error is fixed. So what you have to do is you have to open the command prompt with administrator permission, and then you will need to add the project installer by going to the design and right clicking and click on add installer. So this is how you can fix the error, guys, and let us know if you face any kind of issue. Thank you.